Okay, everybody. I've always had an insecurity about my teeth because I have a very small mouth and wasn't able to have braces when I was young because the dentist said that my teeth would just grow back crooked. That's like my crooked smile. These are porcelain veneers. Yeah, I don't have missing teeth, and for pop-on veneers, it is ideal, I'm sure, if you have the for missing teeth or something like that. But I wanted a nice smile that's a little more aligned and brighter. So I decided to order pop-on veneers, and I got these in this cool case that they send you with a mirror. And I got the color, not the Hollywood white, I got the in-between. And I tell you what, I loved them. I love them. Watch this. Click, tops. Click, bottoms. Now, I'm still getting a little used to talking with them. They fit really nice. I had to adjust to them. I've had them for like maybe a couple of weeks. And yeah, look at that. I love my smile. Yes, it might look a little too bright. I don't think so. I'm very happy. I'm very happy. They pop in and boom, and they fit. Takes a little bit to get used to, you know, and sometimes I lisp my words a little bit. But hey, I am so happy. Get your pop-on veneers now. You'll love them.